Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am your teacher Ajiba. Today we are going to study class 6 science and the chapter number is 8 and the title of this chapter is fit and healthy. So let's start the topic in a proper way. Dear students, health is more than just not being ill. Good health is when you feel good, both physically and mentally. This means having a healthy body that is working properly and healthy mind where you are able to cope with the many challenges that life throws at you. There are many ways to keep yourself healthy and fit, but after many efforts, we sometimes get diseased or become diseased one due to some nutritional disorders. What are the nutrition disorders? Like apart from disease caused by harmful microbes, we can become ill in other ways. If we eat too much or do not take enough exercise, we become fat or obese. A person who is obese is at risk from a number of serious diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure disease, and diseases of the liver. Malnutrition also has serious impacts on the life, on health as well. And here are some diseases I'm going to tell you. Diabetes is a condition where your body does not make enough insulin, or the insulin it does make does not work properly. Insulin is a hormone made in the pancreas which controls the level of glucose in the blood, sometimes called the blood sugar levels. People with the diabetes could go on developing serious health problems such as heart disease, blindness, and even limb amputation. Second number is heart disease. Eating too much fat can result in buildup of fatty substances called the cholesterol in the blood. Heart diseases happen when coronary arteries get blocked by cholesterol. The coronary arteries are very narrow, and when cholesterol sticks to the artery walls, it can make them even narrower. This causes the blood supply to the heart to slow down. This means that during exercise, oxygen does not get to the heart muscles fastly. That's why we face the disease like angina, which is the disease of the heart, and thrombosis or heart attacks even. Second is high blood pressure, which is also known as hypertension. High blood pressure occurs when your heart pumps blood around your body. The blood pushes against the inside walls of your blood vessels, creating a pressure. This is called the blood pressure. Blood pressure is recorded with two numbers. The higher number is called the systolic pressure, is the force at which heart pumps blood pressure around the body fastly, and the lower number called the diastolic pressure is the resistance to the flow of blood vessels. Now second is hepatitis. Hepatitis is an inflammation of the liver. If this becomes serious, it can lead to permanent cirrhosis, which is the disease of the liver failure as well, and the liver cancer, causing severe illness and even death. Common symptoms of hepatitis are yellowing of the skin and wears of the eye, whiteness of the eyes. There are the number of ways that liver can become inflamed. So there are several kinds of hepatitis, such as hepatitis A, hepatitis B, and hepatitis C. Now let's read something from about the kidney disease. Kidney disease means that the kidneys are damaged and do not do the jobs they are supposed to do. The main job of the kidneys is to filter extra water and waste out of your blood to make urine. The kidneys also balance the salts and minerals in the blood. Kidneys disease is usually is the result of the other diseases putting a strain on the kidneys, like diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol levels in the blood. So by eating and drinking those things that prevent diabetes, high blood pressure, and high levels of cholesterol in the blood will greatly improve your chances of avoiding kidney diseases. Dear students, I hope that you have understood the topic properly, and now you have to solve an assignment which is in a form of questions. There are four questions you have to solve from the given video, or you can get help from the book as well. Number one question is about what is diabetes. Second, name two health problems caused by the diabetes. And number three is what is cirrhosis. And number four is what is a good source of vitamin C. So dear students, you have to write their answers in your science notebook.